Hazrat Abu Sa'id Khudri radiyallahu anhu states that Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, on the resurrection day, this earth will be like a bread, and the compeller Jalla Jalaluhu will turn it with his hand as someone of you turns a loaf of bread during a journey. Hazrat Abu Sa'id radiyallahu anhu says, then a Jew came and said, O Abul Qasim, may the compassionate show blessing to you. Should not I tell you what will be served to the inhabitants of paradise on the resurrection day? He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, why not? He whereupon said, the earth will become like a bread, as Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam told us. Hazrat Abu Sa'id radiyallahu anhu says that Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam cast a glance on us and laughed, exposing his molar teeth. He, the Jew, then said, should not I tell you about their gravy? He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, why not? He added, their gravy will be Balaam and Noon. The companions radiyallahu anhum said, what are they? He, the Jew, replied, a bull and a fish, and 70,000 people will be able to eat the excessive part of their livers. Sahih Muslim Hadees number 6988.